Hello everyone, welcome to Steph's Creations. My name is Stephanie. I'm going to show you how I achieved this mermaid look for my mermaid photos that I did in September. And this video was filmed in September, but let's get into it and hopefully I remember what I did. I filled in my brows first and I hated that I filmed it this way, but bear with me. Okay, then I concealed underneath the brows just to make them look crisp and looking like they were freshly done. Once I like how they look, I go into concealing my whole eyelid so I can be ready to put some shadow on it. So I'm going to go into my contour palette and I'm just going to get a warm brown shade and I'm going to put that on my brow bone. With a darker brown, I put that underneath the brow bone color. Now I'm going to pack my lid with a light concealer base and this is going to allow the shimmer or the light eyeshadow to really pop on my lid. So we're just gonna cover that up. Now I'm gonna pack my lid with a champagne eyeshadow color and we're just gonna cover it up real well. And this is how it should look. And then I'm gonna go in with this white holographic NYX pigment and we're just gonna cover the whole lid in it. In the arch of my brow, I put a super light concealer just to highlight it and give it a pop, okay? Pop. Now, I don't know how I did this eyeliner because it's the best eyeliner I've ever done with my life. I did it with the help of God because the way this eyeliner snapped is crazy. And I really don't know how I did it, so y'all really are just going to have to watch because I'm going to have to come back and watch too. LOL. And now it's time to prime the face. So prime. And lashes with the power of magic. And I just clean up the top of my brows with some concealer. And then now I'm going to color correct my whole entire face. So under the eyes, my dark spots, all the good stuff. We're gonna just color correct. LOL. I'm going to go in with Pat McGrath and Fenty foundation to give me the best full coverage and the best shade because my shade be in the middle of both of them. It's a mix of both of them and it works great for me. Now look at her, she get it somewhere okay. For my highlight, I'm going to go down at the corner of my eye, under my wing, and then under the eye, and also into my cheekbones. And then also I'm going to go, where am I going to go? Because this is a long time that I did this. I'm going to go under my cheeks into that little crevice, a little bit on the forehead, not too much. And I think that's it. Oh, that's it, yes. Oh, well, now I'm going to blend with my beauty blender. And we're just going to blend that out, okay? To get my highlight really sharp, I like to go in with the even lighter highlighter under those wings. And then I'm going to blend them out with a small beauty blender so it doesn't move too much. And that's just going to give you a little pop, especially a more dramatic cheek. I'm going to use my contour stick to go everywhere that I want to be contoured and be in the shadows. So my cheekbones, my head, and we're going to blend that out with a little brush, a puff brush. I use my beauty blender to set under my eyes and everywhere else that I highlighted. So under the cheeks, on my forehead, and where else did I set because I don't remember because I did this in September. I'm going to powder contour my cheeks and my forehead. So now wherever I cream contoured, I'll powder contour that. For the mermaid look, I put in blue contour into all the places that I wanted to be contoured, and I probably wouldn't have done this, well, not with my skin tone because it ended up looking kind of green. Like, it mixed up with my skin and it made it look green. Okay, for my nose, I'm going to go in with that super light highlight and I'm just going to blend out all the places that I want to be highlighted on my nose. And now it's time to set and lock everything into place. I set everything and I fanned my face. And then I put my highlight on. I use the same pigment that I used for my eyeshadow, for that holographic eyeshadow, as my highlight to cohesively put everything together. For my lips, I just used a brown lip liner and I just lined my lips. And then I put some lip gloss on it, basic lip gloss on it. And that is the look. I hope you guys liked it. I know this look was a long time coming because it was here. It's been here sitting in my laptop since September. But yeah, if y'all want more makeup videos from me, let me know. Like and subscribe for more. And I will see you in the next one. And tell me what y'all want to see me create because this is all a DIY channel. Okay, bye.